Hello there. Storm Dennis has already brought winds gusting around 70 miles an hour around some western hills and coasts. The rain arguably having more of an impact with some flooding, rising river levels and still some amber rain warnings from the Met Office over the high ground. The storm itself is actually powered by a strong jet stream and will stick around between Scotland and Iceland, and we have this conveyor belt of warm and wet air that's coming in from the southwest, hence all the rain. Now the rain itself on Sunday will actually tend to ease towards the southeast of England and somewhat of a respite before lots of showers come packing in from the northwest and cold enough for some snow over the Scottish hills. The winds still very strong and very gusty, not as windy perhaps for England and Wales, strengthening in Scotland and Northern Ireland. And once that rain pushes through, we're introducing not just showers but colder air. 10 in the southeast late afternoon, 6 or 7 further north, where the winds could actually strengthen further during Sunday evening and early in the night, gusts of 70, 80 miles an hour in northern Scotland. And that's because the centre of Dennis gets a bit closer to Scotland before pushing away towards Scandinavia on Monday. Still lots of isobars on the chart. Monday is still going to be a very windy day, gales quite widely, and we'll have some showers, perhaps some longer spells of rain, and the air's cold enough for the showers across the northern half of the UK to be wintry over the hills, particularly in Scotland. Those temperatures around 8 to 10 degrees for the start of the week. So it's still a windy start to the week, but we no longer have Storm Dennis on the scene. We've got this run of winds coming in from the Atlantic, a showery airstream through Monday and into Tuesday. Maybe some longer spells of rain in the far north of Scotland. Just south of that, the colder air means the showers will be wintry over the hills of Scotland, perhaps down over the hills of northern England and Northern Ireland. Fewer showers for southern and eastern parts of England, and those temperatures 6-7 degrees in the north, 10 in the south. Now we've got higher pressure not far away. It's certainly going to be affecting Iberia, and it may just nudge towards the UK around the middle of the week, but only briefly. There's another area of low pressure steaming in from the Atlantic. So Wednesday, a chilly start. We've got fewer showers pushing away into the North Sea, so some sunshine for a while, and then the winds pick up in the west, and particularly the northwest, where it turns wetter later on in the day as well. Again, 8 to 10 degrees. So another area of low pressure moves in by the time we get to later Wednesday and into Thursday. And again, it's heading up towards Iceland with this weather front trailing down behind that and moving across the UK. It'll be a windy day on Thursday, strong to gale force winds widely, and this rain will be heaviest over the hills. And very quickly, it'll be followed by showers that do turn wintry in Scotland and Northern Ireland as the air gets colder here, milder further south and further east. Now we're going to find temperatures fluctuating a bit in the outlook. There's the jet stream as well, and it's powering right the way across the UK, and it marks the boundary between warmer air to the south and colder air to the north. And the jet stream, of course, will keep the very unsettled theme going into the following weekend as well, and picking up areas of low pressure, driving them towards the north of the UK. So essentially, there's nothing settled about the weather, even into next weekend. And we're always going to find the wettest of the weather in the north with higher pressure to the south. It's likely to be windy, but we're not expecting another named storm.